Hey guys, Earl here from Tech, and Colorful's latest entry is truly outstanding, and that is the iGame GeForce RTX 4090 Vulcan OCV, which takes everything NVIDIA has baked into the gloriously high-end GeForce RTX 4090 and made it colorful with their own take. We are talking about an aesthetic that is my favorite yet, a thermal solution that will keep your 80-102-300 GPU nice and cool, and a detachable, yes, you can remove it, LCD display. The company has used LCD displays on previous iGame designs, but with the new iGame RTX 4090 Vulcan OCV, takes it to another level with a detachable screen. I love having the display on the card to show GPU temps, clock speeds, power consumption, and more. But having the ability to detach it and place it onto your desk next to me, that's wicked. Colorful's new flagship iGame RTX 4090 Vulcan OCV boasts a different design. The new iGame RTX 4090 Vulcan OCV features Colorful's Hurricane Scythe blade with a better fan blade design that makes more air and creates less noise than the previous generation's Storm Chaser fan design. One of the nicest features of Colorful's excellent Vulcan series graphic cards was the ability to modify the display. This capability is retained by the new iGame RTX 4090 Vulcan OCV graphics card, which is fantastic. But there is something new here. An all-new iGame Smart LCD. This revision is a magnetic display that can easily be removed. And secondly, the new iGame Smart LCD is put atop the iGame RTX 4090 Vulcan OCV graphics card, but it may also be mounted horizontally or vertically. You can connect the docked iGame Smart LCD to your computer using the USB cable. If you remove the display and set it on the dock or your desk, you can replace the iGame LCD on the graphics card with the accompanying Vulcan light board, or whatever you decide to put in. Colorful offers the Vulcan as 3.5 slot cooling, and it features a 16,384 shader cores and 24 gigs of brand new GDDR6 graphics memory. Gainward also designed the card with a semi-passive cooling system. Once the GPU warms up, 3 of the fans will begin to cool down. The card has been strengthened significantly to prevent sagging. The manufacturer increased both the power consumption limit and the turbo frequency. This card's 2625 MHz clock speed, the increased power limiter and frequency makes this a fast one. Effectively, the memory operates at a rate of 21 Gbps. This design, built on a unique TSMC4N process, which provides more raster, ray tracing, and AI-accelerated computation performance over the previous generation Ampere. The 8102 GPU has 76.3 billion transistors and a surface area of 608.4 square millimeter. This indicates that the transistor density of 125.5 million per square millimeter is 2.78 times higher than Samsung Fab GA102 Ampere GPU built on the 8N node. NVIDIA ADA has something new called shader execution reordering, which is said to speed up raster operations and provide up to 25% improved gaming performance. ADA is also fitted with next-generation RT cores and faster tensor cores. The latter can achieve up to 1400 TFLOPS, which is 4,375 times greater than Ampere's third-generation cores. ADA's GPUs advance streaming and video content by adding AV1 video encoding support to the ADA 8th generation dedicated hardware encoder. Ampere GPUs of previous generations supported AV1 decoding but not encoding. ADA's AV1 encoding is 40% more efficient than the GeForce RTX 30 series GPU's H.264 encoder. AV1 will allow users who are already broadcasting at 1080p to boost their resolution to 1440p while maintaining the same bitrate and quality. For users with 1080p displays, streams will appear similar to 1440p, resulting in improved quality. Dual NVENC encoders are included on ADA's GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs with at least 12 gigs of memory to improve encoding performance. This supports video encoding at 8K at 60 frames per second or for 4K at 60 frames per second for professional video editing. Game streaming services can also utilize this to enable more concurrent sessions. For example, DaVinci Resolve by Blackmagic, the Vocoder plugin for Adobe Premiere Pro, and Jiangyin, the leading video editing tool in China. all enable AV1 compatibility and a dual encoder via encode presets. In October, the dual encoder and AV1 compatibility will be available for these applications. NVIDIA is also collaborating with a popular video effects application Notch to enable AV1 with Topaz to offer support for AV1 and dual encoders. In addition to NVENC, ADA's GPUs features the 5th generation hardware decoder, which was introduced with Ampere. NVDEC supports hardware-accelerated MPEG-2, VC1, H.264, H.265, VP8, VP9, and AV1 video decoding. 8K at 60 frames decoding is also supported in full. We will be flashing the performance benchmarks right now. So, what do you guys think about the colorful iGame GeForce RTX 4090? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugitech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, or you can visit us at yugitech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Arel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.